All right, guys. So let's talk about how to make $100,000 on YouTube. What you're looking at right now is some of the results. So I can prove to you guys that I did make $100,000 on YouTube before I even get to talking. That way y'all can know that I know what I'm talking about, right? So here's the 100,000. Let me refresh the screen. Boom. You can see it's $101,000, $835, right? So let's talk about how to make money on YouTube and stuff like that. First off, you need to know how YouTube works, right? Where YouTube, you need to know how they pay and stuff like that. So per 1,000 views, YouTube pay you a certain amount of money, all right, depending on what niche you're in, because the way it works is they go off what's called a CPM. A CPM pretty much is per thousand, all right, cost per impression, cost per 1,000 people. So if you make a video today and you uploaded it to YouTube and that mug got 1,000 views, YouTube is gonna pay you a certain amount of money for that 1,000 views. All right, so like that's pretty much, you know, what a CPM is and stuff like that. YouTube to me is one of the best ways to make passive income, especially in 2024. It's one of the best ways to make passive income. If you're somebody that's tired of working like warehouse jobs and stuff like that, you're tired of you know, clocking into work and stuff, and you want to make passive income, YouTube is definitely one of the best sources to do that. All right. Now, what is passive income? Passive income is pretty much a way where you get paid over and over and over again for work that you had to do once. So, for example, you upload a video to YouTube. That video pays you for the next 5-10 years. You understand what I'm saying? So that's kind of like passive income right there. Now, YouTube pays out in royalties. Royalties is the same thing as passive income. You pretty much just getting paid over and over again for work that you did once. So like that's that on that, right? A lot of people think that you got to show your face on YouTube in order to start making money and stuff like that. You really don't have to show your face, guys. All you have to do on YouTube to start making money. Let me open up Cash App real quick. All you had to do to make money on YouTube without showing your face and stuff, you can just pull out your iPhone and start making videos with your iPhone. That channel I just showed y'all, all of those videos, all of those videos were shot using my iPhone, and I did not have to show my face for any of that. So that's a 100% complete faceless YouTube channel. And I wasn't even that dope. I wasn't even that good in the videos. Like, what I mean by that is like, you know what I'm saying? If you had watched any of those videos, you'll see that, you know what I'm saying, I didn't script that out. I didn't script none of those videos out and was able to generate that type of money on YouTube. All right. Now, what you want to do on YouTube to start making that type of money? Oh, I got to cash out real quick. Go back to YouTube Studios. What you want to do is you need to pick a niche. All right. I said it in my last video. Everybody else keep telling y'all the same thing. Pick a niche. You need to pick a niche, man. Picking a niche is what's going to help YouTube know what type of videos they need to show to your it's going to help YouTube show those videos to the right type of people. So that's why I tell people to pick a niche. You got a lot of people saying you don't need to pick a niche. You got some people saying that you do need to pick a niche. I am saying pick a niche. You know what I'm saying? You need a category of videos. You need a category of the type of videos that you're going to be making. You know what I'm saying? So, for example, if you're going to make videos about Forex trading and stuff like that, if you're a lawyer and you're going to talk about, you know, lawyer videos, or if you're going to talk about like court cases and stuff like that on your channel, then that's the niche that you're going to go into. You know what I'm saying? You need to upload a lot of videos related to those topics so that YouTube can show them to the people who are interested in that content. Because, for example, if you got videos about any and everything, right, YouTube don't really know who to show your content to, because they don't know, like, your videos are everywhere. You know what I'm saying? But if you got videos on a specific topic, then YouTube knows that, hey, let me show these people this type of content. You know what I'm saying? That's why I tell people to pick a niche. Once you got you a niche pick, it's pretty much all you're going to be doing is, you know, uploading videos. Upload your videos related to that topic. Sometimes you can go on YouTube and look at videos that are working for other people, and you can get topics like that. You can get titles just from videos that are working from other people. Other people got titles, and they videos, if you see those videos are getting a lot of views, then you can try some of those titles yourself. You understand what I'm saying? Now, The problem I see a lot of people doing is they be quitting YouTube too early. Like you'll find people sometimes they'll upload like 2 or 3 videos, and then they see that their videos didn't get any views, so they be ready to quit. They be ready to give up. And that is the biggest mistake you can make on YouTube, especially if you're trying to make money in 2024. You need to keep uploading those videos because you don't know which video is going to take off, for one. And then for two, it takes time for your channel to get into the YouTube algorithm. It's not going to get into the algorithm overnight. Sometimes it does happen overnight, depending on how the algorithm is feeling. It might hit you, you know what I'm saying? If your video clicking like that, if people really rocking with your video, it'll pop off overnight. And depending on how much volume of people is looking for that type of information that you're giving inside of your videos. You know what I'm saying? Your channel might pop overnight. Who knows? But, you know, 9 times out of 10, it usually takes some time for your channel to pop off. But, yeah, pretty much that's what you want to do. I'm going to go deeper into detail in a minute, probably in another video where I actually, like, get on my computer and give you guys the rundown of, like, how to really make money on YouTube in 2024. But I pretty much just wanted to give y'all some of the basics in this video right here. And hopefully, you know, y'all take heed on that right there. Y'all got any questions, y'all need to let me know in the comment section below. What I would tell you to do right now, though, is make sure you give this video a like, because YouTube is going to recommend you more similar content when they see that you like videos like this. So if you want to get more content and stuff like this, you need to hit the like button on this video, and then it'll trigger YouTube's algorithm to show you more type of content like this. But yeah, so far I'm just going to keep it simple in this video. The way you make money in 2024: pick you a niche, you know, study your niche, and then upload videos. Don't give up too soon. Upload at least 2 videos a week at least, and do it for at least 6 months to a year. You want to look at your results. You're going to see what type of views you got from those videos, and then whatever videos is working. Let's say you see a video that got 10,000 views. Okay, that lets you know that, okay, people are really interested in this topic. You're going to you're going to dig deeper on that topic right there. You know what I'm saying? And that's how you're going to grow your channel. And I'll go, like I said, I'll go further into details in another video where I will kind of break this stuff down for y'all. But like, yeah, I'm